and hotel has really given us a warm welcome today. So, we are a division of Godrej. We integrate audio, video, lighting, etc. for various applications like telemedicine, tele-ICU, boardrooms, conference rooms, auditoriums, etc. I think the panel just before the presentation set the context right for this presentation. The healthcare scenario, there are challenges in terms of demand growing with aging population, growing population. There is an increase in the patients versus doctor ratio. There is a report which says that in rural areas it's about 20,000 is to 1. While in the urban area it's about 2,000 is to 1. So the increase in demand, quality healthcare in the rural area is still unfulfilled. There is paucity of resource. In one of the earlier panel discussions, they mentioned about training as a key important role for productivity improvement in the healthcare segment. So there is a need to maximize use of skilled resource, there is a need to optimize resources, and also increase in lifestyle-based diseases also creates importance for the healthcare sector. So what we really offer is AV technology, which is a need for most of the hospitals globally today to enhance the patient's care. So, where does AV technology fit into a hospital? There are various areas. Today, telemedicine, even the earlier panel talked about telemedicine. There is tele-ICU. AV technology fits into public area in the hospitals. It fits into the control room in a hospital. So, practically in every area of the hospital, the AV technology today is pervasive. I'll take you through where it fits and what are the applications. Coming to telemedicine, this is one of the most talked about technology for healthcare, where a specialist reviews a patient on video. Today it's also, we talked about mobile applications, we talked about talking to a doctor on a phone or chatting. Apart from all this, there is also technology which puts a doctor and a patient face to face with the remote location. It helps reach specialists faster to the patients. So that's a very critical thing, and it can also take the specialists and the doctors to the rural areas where there is a 20,000 is to 1 ratio, and the rural population really needs quality healthcare. I'll take you through a short video which is from one of our partners, which explains or which gives a practical case scenario of how telemedicine is done. As rightly mentioned by one of the members sitting here, that there is a face-to-face which is required, there is a human touch element which is important. Telemedicine is not going to replace the human touch element. It is only going to supplement. Technology will not replace human element in any industry. For example, in an enterprise like Godrej, we do a lot of video conferencing. It doesn't eliminate the need to have a face-to-face meeting or a discussion. It only supplements. If today we can travel to a location and meet people, probably we can do it once in a quarter, once in 6 months. Whereas if you have a video conferencing, we can do it as and when we feel the need. So it is basically in an enterprise, it's a productivity enhancing tool. In a healthcare segment, it is going to supplement the efforts of the hospitals. Can you have the view, please?
home after surgery senses something is wrong. It's during his doctor's office hours, so he checks the life-size ClearC contact list to see if his doctor is available. With luck, the doctor is in, so he initiates a video call. The doctor answers and quickly assesses that a potentially dire medical emergency is imminent. This is a special case, and experts are needed on a consult call now. The primary physician conferences in a specialist who connects via life-size ClearC on a PC. And another specialist who is on an iPad running ClearC.
Good morning, Dr. Haydock, Dr. Naidoo. Thank you both very much for your time today. I need y'all's advice on a rather complex case.
The physician presents the patient case and initiates data sharing. A neurological scan displays with such clarity that all of the doctors understand the current turn of events with the patient. They concur with the diagnosis and rapidly vet treatment options. The doctor calls the patient and explains his medical condition and that emergency surgery is needed. The patient agrees to get to the hospital right away. In a few short minutes, a possible life-threatening occurrence is avoided, thanks to a video collaboration of the finest medical experts across the planet, driven by life-size.
So telemedicine is an augmenting factor for the healthcare sector. Next, we come to the operation theatre. Today, operation theatre is having a lot of AV technology installed. For example, you can show a live operation to a seminar hall or a training room. You can stream the operation for the various doctors and specialists, or even to a medical college, for example. So the AV technology helps doing this. There is also cases where a specialist is required in terms of any complication. Somebody needs to give certain special advices, that's possible. Operations are recorded and played back later. There are multi-displays in an operation theatre which displays information. There are certain case discussions happen while the operation is going on, which are noted down in an interactive display. So an operation theatre today has AV technology used by various hospitals. Coming to tele-ICU, this is a growing trend. Today in an ICU, this really acts as a second eye. For example, in an ICU, when the staff are attending to one particular patient, there could be an emergency with another patient. So it's created a lot of alarm-based fatigue for the staff as well. So in this scenario, there is a possibility to monitor through a control room or a video conferencing or a streaming device the status of various patients, so that timely intervention is possible, so that any emergency can be avoided, and it also is a minimal disturbance to the other patients in the ICU. And most importantly, today when a relative is in an ICU, the others can't even see. So this technology can help them also to view the patient. So tele-ICU is a concept which is gaining globally. So this is an area where AV technology can help for the hospital. Education and training, needless to mention, we can stream or transmit a live operation across the location. There are other training equipments which can be used for training the staff on various areas, not necessarily the doctors, even the other staffs in the hotel, in the hospital needs to be trained. You may not know that Godrej is in AV. We have done a lot of AV solution projects for who's who of industry, and apart from that, these are some of our healthcare customers. We are one of the largest installation base for video conferencing in the country, and we have executed close to 600 projects over the last 5 years. We have 17 offices across the country where we have dedicated AV specialists. And we are also a member of a Global Presence Alliance. So if in any case any hospital wants to do something in AV outside India, we have our partners in about 30 countries to take care of it. We give a lot of emphasis on certification and technology related aspects for our team. So these are some of the certifications. And these are our partners with whom we collaborate and bring technology to our customers. These are some of our customers in the healthcare industry. So that's the end of the presentation. I would be happy to take any questions.